In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Teams meeting invite in Outlook. We'll walk through it from start to finish so you can confidently schedule an online meeting and share it with the right people. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft.com. On the home page, look for the All Microsoft option, usually at the top of the page. Click that to see the full list of Microsoft services. From there, select Outlook. This will take you to Outlook on the web, which is perfect for quickly creating and sending meeting invites. Next, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the account associated with the calendar you want to use. Once you're signed in, go to Calendar. You'll see your schedule view, and this is where you'll create the meeting. Click New Event. A meeting window will open where you can enter all the details. Start with a clear event name so attendees immediately know what the meeting is about. Set the date and start time, then choose the duration. If you have a description or an agenda, add it to the notes area so your guests know what to expect. You can also add a location if you're including a physical room, but since we're making this a Teams meeting, the online link will be the main location people use. In the Invite Attendees field, type the email addresses of everyone you want to receive the invite. As you type, Outlook may suggest contacts. Select the correct ones. Double-check spelling to ensure the invite reaches the right people. If you need to include external participants, you can add their email addresses here as well. Now, enable the Teams meeting toggle. When this is turned on, Outlook automatically adds a Microsoft Teams meeting link to your event. That link will appear in the invite and on the calendar event, making it easy for attendees to join with a single click. When everything looks good, click Save. This will save the event to your calendar and send the meeting invite to the attendees you listed. They'll receive an email with the meeting details and the Teams link, and it will show up on their calendars too. That's it, quick and straightforward. You've created an Outlook calendar event, added your attendees, enabled Teams, and sent the invite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.